a worry-free tire. So this is going to replace this tire here. I'm going to show this quick. So this was on here and I was unable to pull it off, so I had to drill out those 4 bolts that hold this one together. This one here. When you take the rim off this thing, it would look like this. And you can see why I want to replace. The sun is killing it, right? It was close to explosion. Now, I got the worry-free tires, but the tires may be worry-free, but the old ones, getting the old ones off is not worry-free. So this is like crimped on there. I used a pulley to pull this off. It ripped out of this thing here. And now I have the problem that I have the 2 bearings on there with this piece, and I'm unable to pull that off really. I'm really wondering why that is. I try to grab behind here and pull. I can't get a real tool for that, so my thought was to cut it out. That was the initial thought here, and for that I use an angle grinder. Go in here and just cut it out. Now, you should never use an angle grinder like this without the protection thing around it. That's not an okay thing to do, but can I tell you, that's how I'm gonna do it. I need to get the dog out of the way first. Here, Lucy, come. There, down. Stay there. So she's going to stay there. I get my camera in position. I don't know where a good position is. I don't want to have the stuff flying on it. But let's see how we do this. There, like that. I use a few gloves. Gloves is okay, right? And then I'm going to cut the metal piece off first. This is going to be difficult. This, how that looks like now. Let me see if I can break this open. Probably not, because I think I didn't cut all the way through, did I? Oh, I did. See, on this side there, I cut all the way through. This breaks apart on me on YouTube. I'm gonna get a lot of views. Just need somebody to upload it after I die. So this is one piece off. Now I just have to remove the bearings. That's more cutting. All the way down to the axle. Dog is running away. No! Come. Down. Stay. Whew. So, let's see what we have here. There we go. Is this all the way open? I'm not sure. I think this is. Look at this. How rusted. There is one. And then I have one more bearing. Cutting again. Alright, so my disc is getting smaller. Is this cut open? No. So this one is not. I don't know if I can loosen it up by pushing here. It's too tight, I have to cut. Alright. Let's see if you can move it now. There we go. Look at this. Let's move it a little. It's coming loose. Come off already is amazing to me. There we go. Okay, so now I have this sandpaper. Here, there's another piece what doesn't have to be there. Get some of the rust off. Look at that. And then I use this stuff, the brake grease I had. Look, it's here. Like a nice grease. Look at that. And then Wonder Wheel. Worry free. Look at that. Look at Wonder Wheel. There. And then I have to get this thing in here. Oh. Yeah, but for that I need the tool. What am I gonna do now? Get my camera in place again. Need my tool. This thing back in here. goes. I don't have any better ones. Okay. So now, as you can see, wheels are back on. I just have to throw all this crap away, and then we see how the cart is rolling again. Can't stay in there. I want you to stay in there. No. Come. So sit. No. Sit. Sit. Good. Stay. Stay. No. Good girl. See? Hey, yes. Good girl. Look. That's a good girl. Stay. Good girl. Stay. No move. Stay. No. Sit. Sit. Good job. Stay. Stay. No. Sit. Here. Sit. Get down. Down. Yes. Good girl. Sit. No. Down. 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 Stay. Good job. Yes. Good girl. Stay. No. No, that's not good. She likes to walk with it, but not in it. Okay.